So we're now going to look at what are the typical things you would do as an ML engineer during your day-to-day kind of time in the team. Of course, like if you have a hybrid work environment, or you have already done the return to office, then of course like commute is a big part, depends on where you are. So I had commutes from like 5 to 10 minutes when I started to like all the way up to like 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Typically, one of the main things you would do early on in your day would be a project stand up. Some of the teams would have daily stand ups where you give updates on the project to everyone else. Some of the teams have been in, they have like a weekly team meeting where you actually discuss updates. This is also a good time for you to like escalate any blockers so that you can actually be successful in your projects. Um, then you would spend a bunch of time fixing what I call fires, which are maybe some bugs which your users reported, or some features which are needed for the next release of the product. This would also be done by you collaborating with a lot of your team members to solve it. You will spend some time during a day making progress on the project. This would be maybe coming up with a design for the solution, implementing some code, sending those for review, and so on. Um, Typically, if you're in office, you would spend like your lunchtime kind of bonding with your team. So this is very important for you to like kind of build that network. Also, like kind of build a great culture in the team. So this is very important. Coffee is very important. You would have like coffee bunch of times during the day. You would also spend some time like reviewing things. So you may review design docs from your other team members, looking at code reviews from the team. You would also spend time brainstorming. So you may brainstorm with like your mentor, project lead, and so on. And then you head home towards the end of the day. There are also a few things you would do like occasionally. Some of these ML teams also have like reading groups. So you would like kind of read papers and then present them in the team. This is again a great way for you to make sure that you're kind of like close to the state of the art and understanding how the whole field is moving. As you become more senior, you would also spend time on planning. So, what are the things your team should do during the year? What are the team things, the tasks the team should do during the quarter? So, there'll be a lot of time planning. You would also have meetings, one-on-ones with your skip managers, who are like your manager's manager, also with other leaders in the org. Again, these are great way to for you to get visibility and also to understand what is the roadmap for the company and the org in general. Social activities, these are very important so that you kind of build that networking with everyone else in the company. Um, there are also like performance reviews where you can kind of get feedback, get promoted, also give feedback to your peers.